Background go crazy on it.
Yeah, yeah, let her go, yeah, let her go, whoa, let her go, yeah, she a let her go, whoa, let her go, yeah, let her go, whoa, she a.
Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did this wig from AffordHair.com. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I styled this wig and how I made it this colour. So carry on watching for the rest of the video. So I was sent the wig by AffordHair.com. This is what the wig looks like in the book. The wig I was sent is a 613 blonde bob, and it is a 13x6 lace front with a middle parting and has 12-inch hair. It's also 150% density. Inside the box there's also these really cute lashes, which I will definitely be wearing in my next video, and a wig cap, which I actually opened because I needed to try it on. 2 wig caps actually, because this is a pack of 2, and hair clips. So they gave me 4 different coloured hair clips, which are actually really cute. So there's a pink one, there's a purple one, there's a yellow one, and then there's a baby pink one. These are the contents of the box, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys what the wig looks like. I'm taking it out right now. So as you can see, the hair is really soft. I haven't even straightened it yet, but it's really straight. And this is what the wig cap looks like on the inside. So there's clips here, in the middle, on the back, and there is also elastic. So as you can see, the hair stretches. Also at the back, there are these things which you can clip onto each other if the wig cap is too big. So I would suggest buying a bigger sized wig in case you don't know your size, so that if it is too big, then you can just clip the wig together at the back. Also, it does have a hair clip here, which is good to secure the wig. And I am going to be dyeing this hair pink, baby pink. Before I dye the hair, I want to show you guys what the parting looks like. This is what the parting looks like. It's pre-plucked, and the hairline as well. As you can see, the lace matches my skin already. I will be plucking it and just customizing it for my particular head shape. To dye the hair, I'm taking this hair dye. This is Colour Freedom Pink Pizzazz, and it has a dark colour and a pastel colour. Apparently you actually need to buy another thing to make it pastel, but I'm just gonna get conditioner myself and mix it with the hair dye so that it is a lighter colour instead of spending like too much money because I'm broke. Also, to dye the wig, I'm gonna be using the watercolour method, so that's fun. To do the watercolour method, I poured hot water into a bowl and then added the hair dye. I was actually scared of getting a hot pink colour because the dye is dark pink. So I added a small amount into the water at first and tested it by dipping the end of the wig into the bowl. Since the colour was what I wanted, I submerged the whole wig into the bowl so that it could absorb all of the hair dye. Off camera, I washed the hair and then started to blow dry the wig. Then I use my tweezers to pluck the middle parting. So now I'm getting my hair straightened now, which was actually pretty cheap, and straightening the hair. So I split the wig in half and then started straightening from the bottom to the top, and yeah, that's how I did it. In this video right here, I tried to add makeup into the parting, but my powder wasn't brushed in properly. I'm so annoyed. You can even see me notice it in the video, so I went to go and fix that later, but we will just ignore that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and love this wig, because I absolutely do. I'm literally going to be wearing it all the time. And yeah, you guys should visit AffordHair's website because their human hair wigs are amazing. There was absolutely no shedding at all. The hair was so soft. You guys can even see in the video how good the wig is. And after dyeing it, it looks amazing. So you guys should really check out their website and purchase a wig. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Like this video if you like the wig, like the video, like everything. Comment down below what you think about their hair, and see you guys later. Bye.